Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a support item, the ghost one, the ghost super item. So it's very good, and I'm often use this support item, especially in extreme super battle road. So this video is for new player or for beginner player. So as you can see, this event is uh per categories like space traveling, warriors only, giant ape power only, and many more. So I'm gonna, for example, for you, I'm going to play with Majin power only. So before launch the game, make sure you have the unit that fit on the categories to challenge this event. Like this for Majin power only, I'm use this boo units, and this support item that I want to show you is this one, the ghost user. So delay all opponent attacks for one turn is the effect. Tap confirm, tap start. Yeah, welcome to battle road. So let's start use the item. Tap the item, tap OK of this guy, Ghost Usher. As you can see, the enemy or the opponent will not attack you for just one turn, but it's very useful to build up first your unit for the next turn. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. Enjoy the game.